Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 best Amazon cool gadgets finds this month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video.
The Play Monster. Teach Me Time Educational Alarm Clock. Nightlight is a valuable addition to any home seeking a versatile time-telling and educational tool. With its unique blend of functionality and educational features, this product is suitable for users of all ages. This alarm clock comes in an eye-catching yellow and green color scheme, adding a touch of vibrancy to any room. The analog-digital display type ensures easy reading of the time, making it a user-friendly option for everyone. The frustration-free packaging further enhances its appeal, offering convenience right out of the box. A standout feature of this alarm clock is its educational aspect, providing a valuable learning opportunity for children. The clock helps kids understand the concept of time, making it a practical and fun tool for parents and teachers alike. Measuring 4 inches in width and height, this clock is compact and suitable for various room types. Its round shape and indoor usage design make it a versatile.
The Skin Scrubber Face Skin Spatula by Miserwe is a versatile beauty tool designed for deep cleansing and blackhead removal. This facial scrubber spatula is made of high-quality silicone in a sleek white color, suitable for all skin types. With this skin spatula, you can achieve a gentle exfoliation that helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reveal smoother skin. The device effectively targets blackheads and helps in minimizing pore appearance, promoting a clearer complexion. The Miserwe Skin Scrubber is easy to use and clean, making it a practical addition to your skincare routine. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable handling and precise application.
The AUTech new solar motion sensor lights. 120 LEDs are a notable addition to any outdoor space. With a classic style and a durable plastic construction in black, these lights not only enhance the aesthetics of your yard, but also provide practical illumination. The spotlight design ensures targeted lighting where needed, making them versatile for various applications. Featuring 120 efficient LEDs, these solar motion sensor lights offer bright and reliable lighting without the need for electricity. The motion sensor function adds a layer of security to your property by detecting movement and activating the lights, deterring potential intruders and providing peace of mind. Moreover, the solar-powered operation of these lights is environmentally friendly and cost-effective, allowing you to save on energy bills while reducing your carbon footprint. Installation is straightforward, requiring no wiring or additional power source, making it easy for anyone to set up and enjoy the benefits.
The Grow Theory. Two-door draft stopper is a reliable and effective solution for maintaining indoor temperature control and energy efficiency in both residential and commercial settings. Designed to fit securely under exterior and interior doors, this draft stopper is crafted from high-quality silicone material, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The sleek white color of the Grow Theory two-door draft stopper seamlessly blends in with most door styles and finishes, adding a subtle touch of elegance to your home or office decor. The Grow Theory brand, known for its innovative and practical home improvement products, delivers on its promise of quality and functionality with this door sweep. Easy to install and simple to maintain, the Grow Theory two-door draft stopper offers a hassle-free solution to prevent drafts, dust, insects, and noise from entering your living or workspaces. The UPC 733-4246-35601 ensures authenticity and product reliability, giving you peace of mind when making.
This stainless steel half-moon cooking grate from Kamado Joe is a fantastic addition to any grilling setup. With dimensions of 18 into 9 into 0.2 inches, this cooking grate is designed to be compatible with Kamado Joe grills, providing a durable and high-quality cooking surface. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, making this cooking grate a worthwhile investment for any grilling enthusiast. The half-moon shape allows for versatile cooking options, whether you're searing steaks or grilling vegetables. The sleek stainless steel design not only looks great, but also helps with heat retention and distribution, resulting in evenly cooked food every time. Easy to clean and maintain, this cooking grate is a practical and reliable accessory for your outdoor cooking needs. Overall, the Kamado Joe KJHCG cooking grate in stainless steel is a dependable and high-performing product that enhances your grilling experience. Whether you're a seasoned grill master,